The country ben cred. Bibia ye be complaining. She say odwen ho awon ti ase. Redenomination. Okay, 2007. No man penny that up before. Redenomination. Ye complaining yes I feel there yes there and sika no ye wie bi and ho ahwan. Eno atwam. Say you introduce new CDs, CD notes. 100 and 200. And also so you're complaining. Just say a camera is a gun and quan say economist to say one. Omun be different. Bibia wo mind mu baby ebe complaining. Hey, never that also. Ye we are complain. Ye we are complain. How can we move on? Just say you want as a Ghana. Ghana quan ye won crofo mu nim wiase ne ma nyina. Eti bibia na institution anasa ban be ye no enye. 5 chromati your 500 euros a boom bako your 200 a boom your 100 a boom you use your ebi o uko baby sometimes adwuma bi o ha wo ya na bibia na ye be ma uskakra ebi o ha e ma 500 minu and ebi o 200 say di ebi o 100 euro a boom and e dey ma America na minimum say America him say up to 100 when UK mean said then by chroma euro almost 500 euro a boom back. You were 200 a boom back. And so still they are moving on. Ghana redenomination 2007. Look at what people say they said so many things about it. And then and a sika and wabe say a sika. And watch them aba ye kwanim. And you know they say we are ye evolve ye kwanim. Ye complaining do. E dey just say young kwan ye educated people. You won confo a omu dey omu nim you intellectuals nkwan na wo Ghana. I don't get it. Everything. Oh no. Just say enye aba we just everything ever cause wo kronum bia no obi wo ho asemka. How can we move on in such a country? A country where people think they know all, but look at your crown side ye kum. Ya kasadodo. Ye sika meka mampani that for 2007. Read denomination said day. Sika no. Ye read denominate ye. Hwe kasa ye complain sa ene kofo aseska ene ho ahwan. Abayaba. Bank of Ghana, a institution, yes, you say a government institution, now so no, autonomous, independent. Omo abetre atchirem say ntia say yenya 100 and 200 notes no. Omo de aba. And also so conkrofo omo say they know everything in the world. Ghana nkwa de economy, economist ni say Ghana nkwa de world educate enkrofo omo intellectuals omo de they know everything in Ghana, but the country is still where it is. And so we have people, everything they will complain, everything, ideas, everything, but we don't move on. You crow inside eternity. What do you want to say? Bibia ya kasa Bibia na yet said ye young what problem will be asking now. Come to Holland, go to Germany, go to America, go to UK. Omukra advanced country. Ube hu niama bebre, so they don't talk too much about it. Your homeless people, a month for a big cry, Juma, as soldiers near the idea. Train station, Holland, Krana, almost taking good care of homeless. We still have homeless people here in Holland. Holland, you can Europe country taking good care of homeless. We still have homeless people in Holland. But you don't even see them, they don't show them even on TV. And who walk around with the chroma, or Faber to Facebook, or may you feel. One here crumb block is our pictures, no. We complain too much. Yeah, kasado. Sometimes we don't want to say, Ghana be bia complaining. Me and you want to be complaining. Ye Jessica poi. Ye poi. How can we move on? I don't understand the sort of people we are. We complain too much. Sometimes we don't want to say. Just say ye bibia no and yet everything is not good. Aba. Oh no. They don't go on. How? We come, just we are come. Men just here. Just say you just got me come on penida dako for 2007. Tama sika yes sam. Share ye buy complaints be break Ghana for ye kasa ehwan and a day. And then one entin koda. You just got put ye as you come yet you 500 euro note boom bako. You 200, you 100. And about affect the economy and economy I then chrome no Europa European Union no and no more use and yes 500 200 near we use it here we talk too much to know people to know we do as if we know but we know nothing chrome it's say ya kasa so on paper your friend saying on the ground no nothing but you kasa too much I had to say the young one you chrome problem but problem baby about a hand or time bibi or how they will complain and you might be or petty they will not even complain about it there are some problems sir and they will complain about it but in your bibi and complaining say bibi or honey kasa they don't talk anyhow when you be and you might be or they know say yes a chrono benefit chrono in the long term no money no much no more coming you want it will affect and grow for no more complaining. But young Kwani, yet said your gun and Kwani, your problem. You were near my Casamo. Said Yamabi or her Koyi now Casamo, same be. But yen be beer, just a cry team. Be beer na, Udia, Mekaida was a type. And your friend is saying, VW, yes, or mobile assembly car, Rwanda. I saw so many people when I share on Facebook, oh, Rwanda is moving on. The same people, yes, on bear assembly be Ghana, yes, Yanko talk and tank cars. Abanko eko oda kantanka kasa no de eno manti nkrofo ano kasa the same people no yes yanko to kantanka so the same people were cherishing Rwanda aba country beni we have to know people in the country entini yanko so no because minimum ne doso omo ye minimum no e doso too much minimum for ne doso Ghana dodo minimum no bibia mo na munim omo enim everything in Ghana entini yanko ye nim no. Yeah, when you might complaining, yes, we have problem as a country. We are developing nation. But there are some things and we hear say about complaining. Oba brochre ha, Oba Holland ha, 500 euro a boom your friend 100 euro, 200 euro. They don't talk even about it. They move on and use the money. The same thing be a pray. You chrome ha, you see National Culture Center The Hague. Big time money in DC. You don't even see people talking about it because they know say in the long run no, it's going to get the country big something. Ghana and see the same culture center with that amount. And so Ghana ni beba brochre omo ba ha mahu some of your ministers or my bar omo ko jira some monument bia big money in DC wa brochre. And so the same people will go to Ghana. Saban bi na wo so no ya. The same people will talk about it and complain about it. Yet said your chrono, everything about your chrono. You would near my debate politics. Me, Sanema, we may find your politics, no matter by or so. A yesican, say a trust saying a man go cassa benya nine. Be beer, wo money muno, you have a complaint. So I might be yebi, our baby, the ania commandino. How can we move on? Sasika, you just a Rwanda and a try and can go for it, social media. A year did no, and can they will be commanding Rwanda. I said Rwanda, and Rwanda is moving forward. Rwanda is moving in the right direction. But the same thing, you Ghana, your problem. Oma panic for Ebaya, you see, you reading on me problem. Sika is quite problem. Country Benny, Etinian Quanim no. Etinian Quanim no. The same people will be commanding another country. But country, Ghana, you problem. How can we move on? You want near my debate politics in Yama, is there? But then you say, wait, where you pity. Anyone be want me to transfer? Now Ghana for credit pay. I don't know what we want now. Any pay. Ghana. Adia will be by no. You be commending. Rwanda, yes or ye bibi. Rwanda, a solar farm. You are commending. The same thing say Nanado Tisui. Nanado Caso Koye solar farm baby. Say see I make and away who here. And I say, and so the same people will be commending them. Oh, Ghana, your problem. Your problem. You too know near Sanya man. Say, Yaya, young Quenim. A brochure, how more problem. I'm telling you, in spite of their developing. But Enyama bi oha me ba ha they will not even talk about it because they see it as a wasteless. Omun kasa emfa ho because omun nim say ehun nim fa so. Omun fa nya politics. Ya woni ama e de be politics. Aha, bibi kitikiti ni ade ya homeless situation e Europe anom. Holland e kra na omun managing well no. So we call other countries, they don't even talk. We call Belgium, we call Germany. Homeless asem kromonka. Omo fanye politics. And so Ghana and Kayasem. You don't even see them talking about America, California. Last time we heard documentary bioha. And no cry no almost shoot two documentary. They did not allow them say omo show but they are homeless for ninada. And so no America, big country, developed country like this, they don't even want to talk about. And so Ghana, who say young Kwana, Africa for nafe mo amokoton masemu wiya. Na brofo no di gu ye so amose die mu koton masem wie yan ton ye ho e na ho bibia ye be complain ya woni ama ye be politics and ye be ka bibi nkoyie se bia eniama bi nkoyie a ye be ka but enya se ye twasika ye sipoi ye sensika ye sipoi eni edian ye pe say what do we want what ye pe dian make am company that akofo be sensika 2007 hwede si wo Ghana just upa go back. Never do omu and your opposition kwan yes idea no nya this nkwan that time civil society organization in Yama look at what they did to Omampaniku for that time the same thing as here so called civil society organization ni bino and in Yama they are doing the same thing they see 2007 Omampani be senska kokko head omu ye we me find say opposition party enipa bi a wo kro ni mu amu ye omadwen say they know everything they know bibia ye papa enti no man yankwanim no ebi say two no for ne do so do ye woni ma ye de be politics and obi ye bibi na ompe aban na sem na say ebi a wo be ka ho asem afan but enya niam bi a sebe country bi aye bi country a develop aye bi economy uba krom ha madikanka Europe ye wo 500 euro boom cash ye wo 200 cash ye wo 100 cash said amote Ghana no mo keka and e be affect we have kasa too much. Yakasa too much. They am crying and kasa bebrebe na bibia kasa. Sa, ya sa ban you buy just say a ban bibi obey bia na problem. And so the same people no hypocrite ni dishonest people. Rwanda and Koyebi, they will come on their Facebook wall and show it there. And no I'm citing example no. VW yes they are coming to assemble cars in Ghana. And a man for starting the abayatem and a cantanka and a hwan. A buying talk as or cantanka or maintain sankrofona and kabu. The same thing, Rwanda, yes, or talkers and Vindo, yes, on Beasambuka or Rwanda, and you're not man for and in among social media. Vindo BU, call Rwanda, and yes, Rwanda is developing. The same people are coming to Ghana, we have problem with it as Ghanaians. How can we move on? I don't get it. Yeah, just say, oh, no. Country, no, anything young, because, Kasa, Apafu, they have problem with your brocha, unless I person can quarry. Problem be brewa but omo ye din enema bi wo ha omo fo say ehun hia say enema no eda nten no omo ko omo they have to move forward omo problem so omo nka krom ha difficult say Holland ha they will allow you to go to homeless people but they are homeless people ho na ko documentary Holland people would never allow you opa ma me fa me phone mi nimba bi ebiti ya mo omo fie omo te na me fa nko ho so police they will call police for me. They won't allow you to away crack or to abonting. But you the same people ni yet said aba. Yes, Ghana, we have problems. We have issues. Obian cancer, we have some politicians we have people and we are corrupt. Is there? But in Yamabi or and you be Biana, Yakasa to say Kasa. There are problems. Obian one casa Ghana problem you. The on problem you on can quarry. What so be no can say economy no we can compare it to Abuja. It's totally impossible. But the problem is ye bibia ebia ye bi say be more money tumponko any man problem. Like Sika Yasesan petty. Those complaining no petty complaints. Useless, baseless. Enfam faso any bibi papa bia mregana. Now we ye the baba ye radio discussion say Bank of Ghana introduce new way. This sort of thing will not happen in any developed country. Sa brochire ha yete you see sika no currency no ya introduce new ones yinti near the veteran radio so be at the whole week no be a topic of this for discussion. They are very serious. Such nonsense. You see a referendum, yes or no? No be a discussion on radio for almost 2 weeks and only discussing. A better no man ever call him. They are developmental and someone here almost this sort of nonsense in your way. They don't even have time on their radio. Opa be so be out here, we see a referendum, yes or no. Now no be a topic. I have come on be a general election cry. Just say time on a yabe. And I'll be who say be a day. Sa referendum this annual manema way be a time no ya ben and way now. They don't have time now no be talk on radio all over newspaper. Oh damn. Sometimes I mean they are crazy. Me just say me bo fukra keke. You pe complaints do. You complain minimum dey pe as a country. Minimum dey pe. You the way ba omsipui. The same thing no country be koye there we will hear them. We will hear the country. Oh, my idea, and a country not to sound and I say, oh my idea. You will see this same economists, any civil society organization for will sit on their Facebook wall and make noise. Oh, this country near Bedman statistics. Oh my idea. The same thing Ghana could be your Ghana will problem. Oh no. The same thing Ghana could be Ghana. Oh, Dabi yan as I say, other young part of the world. We are part of the world. Oba Europe and American can be so be our tea Europe. Say you need 500 you ha, you need 100 or ha, you need 200 or ha. You talk too much. We talk too much. Anything young quenim no. Enti aban bi obeba no person ye bibia. Ono so ever kase me bia en my way. Enti no ontimi nya focus. Enya say ade we na me asimani so let me do it. Say me ye beto abama me ntoma me because me a politician. And they said the nipa e wo man nim no enti ne yanko ya nim no what I say sa suban na nye to know everything you complaining na ye say yanko na sabe your problem e wo wiase nyina yanko anim ya petty things a ehu hia ya woni ma ide ya politics say problem e wo man nim ene ma enko yie ya be ko hospitals e bi a beds ene ya ensam no bebre wo ho ya be ka eno ya fine. But in here, say yes, seska, and you see a problem. You have a referendum, and you see a problem. You have country being. Oh, Madame, I say.